The bank told me I needed $2 million to retire comfortably. They were wrong. Today, I'm showing you the exact blueprint I use to generate $2,000 a month in safe, consistent income with less than a quarter of the capital. If you're tired of 4% rule leaving you worry every time the market dips, you need to see this. Hi, I'm David, retired now. This channel is the honest version of the option trading, no hype. For a decade, we've been told the 4% rules is the gold standard for retirement. But here's the problem. It assumes the market always cooperates. If the market take a dive the same year, retirement income strategy shouldn't be about luck. They should be about math. I categorize my option income into 3 tiers. Let's look at the number. Tier 1 is for the supplemental, about $500 a month. The capital requirement here is $30,000 to $50,000. At this level, our goal isn't to replace a salary, is to create a peace of mind buffer. This covers the utility bills, your property tax or travel budget, because your account size is smaller. We keep the risk extremely low. We focus on selling cash secure put on bulletproof blue chip stock. We aren't looking for home run. We're looking for consistent single, which you make about 1% a month, which is about $400 to $500 on $40,000. You have essentially given yourself a massive raise compared to a standard saving account without the stress of managing a massive high-risk portfolio. Tier 2, the Paycheck, which you can make roughly about $2,000 a month. This is where the math really shift, requiring $150,000 to $200,000. This is the tier most of my viewers are aiming for. At this capital level, you have enough moving parts to diversify across 3 to 4 different sectors like tech, consumer goods, and financial. Because we have more capital, we don't have to put all our eggs in one basket. We can sell put on a variety of symbols, which smooth out the monthly income. This is where you truly stop needing to sell your core assets to live. You stop being a share seller and start being a rent collector on a meaningful scale. Tier 3 is the luxury, which you make about $5,000 a month. When you have $400,000 and up, the beauty of the tier 3 isn't just the $5,000 monthly income, it's the flexibility. With this amount of capital, I can afford to run more advanced structure like the wheel strategy or even some modest leaps, which is called long-term equity anticipation security, to generate income while keeping my core position completely untouched. At this stage, the monthly income is essentially extra. You aren't living on the edge, you are living on the excess. The goal here is simple. Keep the capital intact and let the option income pay for their lifestyle. Look, before you move your whole 401k, you need to hear this. Option trading for income can be dangerous if you are chasing quick profits. But as a retired trader, I'm not chasing quick gain. I'm selling the rent. We sell put that are way out of the money, the one that have an 85% probability of expiring worthless. That's how we keep it safe and consistent. Don't get overwhelmed by the big number. Look at your own idle cash today. Which tier do you qualify for? If you want to see exactly how I go through these trades, check out the video about 3 strategy breakdown. Don't forget to subscribe. Please note, all content is for educational purposes only. I'm David. See you in the next one.